I'm Wayne Pollock. I'm a thought leadership ghostwriter serving big law and boutique law firm partners. I help these partners build their practices and their prominence one word at a time. Let's talk about what the demise of local newspapers can teach law firms about their thought leadership efforts. According to Northwestern University, since 2005, the U.S. has lost about a third of its newspapers. Roughly about 3,000 newspapers have gone out of business in the past 19 years. That's about 150 a year or 3 a week. There are a number of reasons why these newspapers have gone out of business, but the key reason is that they didn't know how to make their content valuable to their key audiences, readers, subscribers, advertisers in the social media and internet eras. They didn't know how to keep these target audiences coming back for more. And that is an important lesson for law firms. Law firms need to make sure that they are meeting their target audiences, clients and referral sources, where they're at and creating content that is valuable to those audiences. Value comes in two forms. One, value comes in the substantive form. Is the thought leadership we're creating relevant? Is it compelling to our audiences? But beyond that, value also comes in the form of the packaging, the container. We know that law firms tend to write blog posts, write articles, write email blasts, but not every client, not every referral source wants their thought leadership in that format. Some might want it in video format. Some might want it in podcast format. Some might want it in the form of infographics. Some might be willing to watch an hour-long webinar instead of reading a 1,500-word or 2,000-word article. It's incumbent upon law firms, their lawyers, and their marketing and business development folks to understand that their clients, their referral sources want to consume content in various forms and will determine how valuable content is, not just on the substance, but how it is delivered. So let's think about when we're creating thought leadership, how we can repurpose, repackage our thought leadership to make sure it hits as many clients and referral sources as possible and increases our reach, increases those clients and referral sources' engagement with that content by making sure it meets them where they are at. The good news is that today, when it comes to content creation, it's easy to take a blog post and then turn it into a video where you have someone standing up in front of the camera and talking into the camera about the substance of that blog post. Or you can start with a video and then take the transcript of the video, polish it, and make it a blog post. You can take the audio from a video and convert that into a podcast. You can take a long form video, slice it and dice it, and now you have short form video for social media along with a longer form video. Or you can take a webinar and slice it and dice it for YouTube, slice and dice it for social media. The good news for law firms is that today it's not too difficult for them to take content and repackage it and distribute it in different forms to make sure that it hits their clients and referral sources wherever they're at and is seen as valuable to those clients and referral sources. The law firms that don't understand that their thought leadership has to reach their clients and referral sources where they're at and in the format that they are going to consume it, those are the law firms that might lose market share because their thought leadership is not being consumed as often as thought leadership from competitors who know how to reach their various target audiences. Law firms should learn from all of those newspapers that have sadly gone out of business over the past 19 years or so. Unfortunately, all of those newspapers that went under over the past 19 years did not understand how to make their content valuable. Law firms need to make sure that they make their content valuable, make their thought leadership valuable, and ensure that it gets consumed by the people who they want to impress, who they want to be seen as knowledgeable and wise to. Otherwise, they risk losing market share, they risk wasting time and money and energy by creating content that's never consumed by its intended target audiences. If you're interested in learning how to create the kind of thought leadership content that is valuable to your clients and referral sources, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of videos, blog posts, and podcast episodes that can help you do just that.